So let's have a look at Stixy. So basically, Stixy is a collaborative notice board, if you like, where we can add documents as teachers, we can create a class website page, we can do a whole range of things, and it basically works like this. We simply drag these little icons down the bottom onto our page. So let's say we're going to create a information page on natural disasters. We basically click and drag, comes up with an add photo. And if we're nice and organized and we have some things we want to share with our students, we can just select an image from our desktop, add the photo, and it's uploading the photo and you can see it there. I've got some effects on the side that I can play around with, which is pretty cool. We can also add documents here. Now this is a really cool feature because we can add things like PDFs and Word documents and things that we want our students to grab. So I'll just click and drag that underneath here. And I'll add a document. I've got this, I found on the internet a great report about from 1972 through to 2002, a report on natural disasters and all the effects it's having on communities and society worldwide. So I'll add that document there. And all of a sudden I'm creating this wonderful page of rich media that I can share with my students. But not only that, the students can then add content to our page as well. So it's a real collaborative approach. I can also add notes here, so I can have little notes here on what I find. Please refer to our website, and I can put links and things in there. And this little feature down here is fantastic as well. It's a little calendar. I can set some little post-its here to say, okay, on the 3rd here of June, we're going to the excursion at the National Gallery. And I can put little reminders in there as well, which is pretty cool. Got photos, documents, notes, calendars, and different widgets there. And you can see now that my page is starting to grow and grow on natural disasters. If we add to this students collecting information as well, what a fantastic resource we've got here. So here's the some other options here. We've got a share. So I can actually share down here with students in my class through email, and I can add my messages as well here. I've also got some really neat options here. So I can actually give my Stixy board a title. So I'll go natural disasters. And what I can do here is I can allow guests to my Stixy board. There's the URL there, that's the guest URL. But I can also allow just my students by giving it a little password as well, which is really, really cool. And so therefore my students can also access, but also can add content as well. See how it says here, allow guests to add, remove, and edit widgets, which is our content. I can actually give it a little avatar here as well, which is all pretty cool. So when I save that, I can then pass on that link. You can see up here, that's my Stixy board here, and natural disasters. So I've got lots of different options. Would make a fantastic class website page that you could share, keep it to your students. Really good security. I guess the only negative here is, once again, we've got to sign in and sign out. Hopefully your students have got a Google app account or something that they can use. But it seems really, really neat and tidy, good security. And look at this wonderful resource here for students, not only collecting information from the teacher, but also adding content as well. So that's Stixy in a nutshell. Fantastic resource, collaborative approach where we can add content.